In this video, we will learn about pre-compaction in virtual PC, how to do so, and what was the requirement for pre-compaction. Sometime when we use a virtual operating system in the virtual PC software, then for the longer time, if you keep on running the operating system, you will find out that whatever space you allocated for the operating system will be consumed more than that. For example, currently I'm using the new hard disk, a virtual hard disk, a new virtual hard disk. That's the reason space is very less. But if you keep on running operating system, the virtual operating system, you will find out that the allocated space will keeps on increasing, like 5, 10 GB, 15, 20. It's like that. Keep on increasing because whatever uh, cache you will generate, it will basically saved in this virtual hard disk, and you will never realize when you run the virtual operating system. So that's what the pre-compaction is all about. You can reduce some space from the existing virtual hard disk, and physically you can reduce. Now, how to do that pre-compaction? uh, there will be called CD option there, capture ISO, and a C drive Windows, a C drive program files, and at program files you will find out the option Microsoft Virtual PC. Now at Microsoft Machine Editions, there is another folder in that. You will find the two options, the two ISO images. One is Virtual Disk Pre-Compactor and another is VM Editions. Now to install VM Editions, we always use VM Edition option, but here we are doing pre-compactor, means we are going to reduce the space from physical drive, the physical space we're going to reduce. So we will use virtual disk pre-compactor. We will open that, and once it will boot up, you find out the autoplay will open. Now you can see a run precompact.exe. It's the same like VM Editions. We install VM Editions, so we just need to click on it, and it will allow the precompactor to run. You can see, would you like to prepare the virtual hard disk for compaction? We just need to say yes. Currently it's very small. It's a new operating system. That's the reason it's running very fast. Otherwise, if you have a cache of a long time, then it will take some time. But because it's a new operating system, we're just learning things. That's the reason we're getting very quickly a quick response. Okay, it's done, and you can see that pre-compaction drive is successful, and the virtual hard drive is now ready for compaction. Just compacted it. Now we just need to shut down the machine. Shows hardware maintenance and shutting down. Now this option is coming because I selected under disk for this virtual machine. That's the reason I'm getting the option commit. Now it took some time merging this, so as soon as it complete, we'll proceed. Okay, so done. And now what we need to do in the virtual PC console, you will find the option called two option: new virtual machine wizard or virtual disk wizard. Now our main issues to be done with virtual disk wizard, because we already have an existing virtual hard disk. That's the reason we need to choose the virtual disk wizard. And at the virtual disk wizard, we will go through the virtual hard disk we're going with. So you can find the welcome option, which is just to next, Now you find two options: create a new virtual hard disk or edit a virtual hard disk. So we just need to edit the existing one, which is saved in my virtual OS drive. Now at editing this desired virtual hard disk, we just need to compact it. Nothing to do, we just need to compact it. You can go through the fist size or whatever you want to do. Now we just need to replace the existing one, and just it will be it will take some time depending on your machine's cache or size of the hard disk is, uh, but our job is done. Now one thing is very interesting about that: before my hard disk size was 5.54 GB, and now it increased to 5.60 GB. Now the things, because it's a new hard disk, and that's the reason whatever you do will generate cache, and this is what it happens, it generated cache. But with old one